Richard Bishop here of H3B Media. We're here at the eSafety Challenge 2010 in Millbrook in the UK amidst a wide variety of technologies that are meant for the public, meant for drivers on their cars on the road, and yet at the same time these drivers have to know about such a thing in order to even be interested. So we're here at the H3B Media booth, publisher of Thinking Highways and also creators of a new program called Thinking Cars. Lewis Hill of H3B Media is with us. Thank you, Lewis. And can you tell us a little bit about this program and why it was produced?
The reason for the show, this is an EC directive. The show started 2.5 years ago. It came out of the recent call for wider dissemination of safety technology, and the Commission approached us and into proposed stage to create Thinking Cars, so we can broadcast this across Europe, demonstrating active safety systems which are in use, and you've probably seen quite a few of these at the eSafety Challenge this week, and also some of the more up-and-coming technologies which are in the not-too-distant future.
So I guess as we're here at the eSafety Challenge, we've seen all of these technologies, these demonstrator cars, so in a way it could be said that this show is a bridge to the public from those technologies onwards to the everyday person. Is that a fair statement?
Yeah, definitely. The eSafety Challenge plays a very important role in disseminating some of the main technologies of brake assist, lane departure, obviously electronic stability control. These are very sort of key areas in the European Commission's programme, and obviously these are ones which are already available to the public. So this is a different stage. The idea of the documentary is to be able to generally inform a mass audience across Europe on these technologies and that they are available. And part of the problem is that a lot of people don't realise that these technologies are available in vehicles, and hopefully this documentary will get that across. And we hope maybe the sales people and car showrooms start using this a little bit more. It's very informative and very important. This technology is there, we can buy it, we can use it, we can travel safely, and the documentary uses real life sort of situations where serious accidents have occurred and which really should have been avoided. And part of the programme to disseminate, inform and educate and hopefully lead to safer, better roads across Europe. That's the aim. That's the aim.
And I can see, even as we're talking, there's some scenes going by that show there's a very human element to the show, in addition to the technology, to make it more engaging.
Yeah, well, that's a good point, Richard. The whole point behind the creation of that was not to make it too technical. It had to be engaging. It had to have a theme which really everybody can associate to, whether you're an engineer or whether you're just you drive down to the shops. It's important to have that sort of feeling, and that was quite a big gap to try and to cross. But we feel we've done that. We've sort of got that feeling to it, and at the same time, it's pacey. It's engaging. It keeps you sort of watching and learning.
Right.
And certainly from some of the premieres we've done and various things, it's been very effective.
So I understand that Thinking Cars has now been offered to broadcasters, and that's ongoing?
Yes, it's ongoing. We're in a negotiation stage at the moment. And yes, over the next 6-12 months, the aim is that we'll start seeing this in different countries across Europe.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you, Lewis.
Thank you very much. Cheers, Richard.
All right.